What does home feel like for you?
Wala nang doorbell, dire-diretso na.
Saglit lang. Punta muna tayo sa cafe named Saglit. Nung pagpasok namin, pakiramdam na namin it was like a break from the city life. Yung tipong, uy, sasaglit muna ako dun ah. The whole time, we felt like visitors na mag-o-order ng kape at yung mangungulit. So I think what's interesting about this day is that Miggy shared na nagjo-journal siya. And I asked, bakit? Bakit mo ginagawa? So habang nakikinig ako sa kanya, napansin na pala ni Miggy na nagdo-drawing na ako sa gilid. Abstract journaling. I think he's very in touch with his emotions. Lord, thank you for the food. Si Miggy na naman ang nakaubos at tingnan mo naman, sarap na sarap siya. Eto, may tanong kami. What does home feel like for you? Kasi para sa amin dalawa, eto na yung closest. Ang daming parang little things around the area, nakakatuwa. Akala mo yun lang yun. Meron pang flower shop sa loob. Pinag-usapan pa nga namin which flower arrangement feels like me. So ayun, napabili tuloy ako. This time, gabi na, and it's time to eat. We wanted one to sawa sana. Yun nga lang, walang oysters na gabi na yun. So we tried a new spot. Haponesa. Hindi naman kami super gutom, so very light lang yung in-order namin. Eto ka, na-realize ko nung gabi na yun, na if sarap na sarap si Miggy, grabe reactions niya. Oo, sige, go. Mukha naman siya nag-enjoy, no? Binantayan ko tuloy yung mukha niya. By this time, si Miggy naman yun na ubus na energy at napunta sa akin. Overall, ambience, vibe, food, 9 out of 10. The whole day's energy is a 10 out of 10. Saan kaya kami mapapadpad next time?